Hi everyone, welcome back to the mentor. In this video I will be sharing with you new data entry project which I got on Upwork. So first I want to show you the client instruction and then I will be showing you the word process. So here on the screen guys, you can see this is the client instruction and this is data entry project number 15. So he's saying that this task involves collecting and organize contact information from website directly. The objective is to gather comprehensive detail for each contact list on the site, ensuring that data is well organized, accurate and present in a clear format. The collected data will be entered in a single Excel sheet, sorted alphabetically by first name and formatted according to the specific guideline. The process must be conducted systematically to avoid duplication, ensuring high quality data for future use. So this is guys the first instruction, and below if I just go down here, he's saying that he just provide me few steps and we will be following the step to work on this project. So in the first step he's saying that visit the website, go to this website. So I have already opened this website guys. Here you can see this is the website, and then he's saying that start with the letter A. Tap the letter A in the contact last name field. So he's saying that guys you will need to tap A and the contact last name. So here you can see this is the last name. So here I will just tap A. Then he's saying that click the search button on the submit the form, collect all the result display from letter A. So now he's saying that guys you will need to click on the search button. So if I just go down here, you can see it's mentioned search. So I will simply click on the search button and let's see what we can get now. Now here you can see we got this following result. There are 327 result. So now let's see what other he's saying. Then he said repeat for a letter B, Z. After completing the result for A, type B and collect all it's required. Continue the process for all letter from A to Z. So if I just go down, let me see what he other saying. Copy the data into Excel, open an Excel file, create a sheet with the following name, first name, last name, email, phone number, fax, farm name, address and practice area. Paste the collected information under this column for each result. And let me go down guys. Combine all data in one sheet. Make sure to paste all the data from A to Z in the same sheet without creating separate tab for each letter. Then he's saying is sort and remove duplicate. Use the sort feature in Excel to sort out the data by first name. Use the remove duplicate feature in the column update. So basically guys, he's the instruction are very simple. Basically the client want me to extract all the data from this website. Here you can see guys, and then he's saying that when you complete all the data, for example here if I just go down here, you can see there are multiple pages guys. So when I extract all the data from the first page, then I will click here. I will click here on the next page. So I will go to the next page and then I will be able to extract data from the next page, and then I will go on. So when I extract all the data from this first page guys, then I will be clicking here. Again you can see it's mentioned show more criteria. So I will just click here. So when I click here, so guys when I complete all the data, when I extract all the data, like there are 227 result. So when I complete all the data, then I will remove the A button and I will click B here. Then I will click on search. So when I click on search, then there I will get other data. Now you can see we got 86 result. Now you can see there are different result. They are different. So then guys I will try and I will collect all the data which are available on this result. So when I complete and I extract all the 86 result, then again I will click here and I will type C here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all. So I will extract all the data like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And then go on until Z. So I will be able to extract all the data from this website by using this simple step. So when you complete all the data from C, then you will type here D and then go on. So the process are very simple. So first guys I will type here A so that we can extract the data from the first page. So I will search here Now you can see we got 327 result as I have entered A here. Okay, so you will also need to do that, guys. Now to collect data from this data, there are multiple ways, guys. First one is you can use this data as instance tool. I also try on it, but it didn't satisfy me. There was a lot of issue which I was facing, so I will be not using this tool also. And you can, I also try on the web scraper tool also. It also didn't help me. So it's mean that I tried to using multiple tools, but I was not satisfied with them when I was collecting data from here. Okay, so then guys, I use a simple command on the ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT helped me to extract this all data from this website. Okay, so I will be also showing you how you can do that. So first, guys, what I did, I just opened the ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm using the free account. If you have the premium account, it will be so much beneficial, but if you don't have, then you can also use the free one, it doesn't matter. Okay, so first, guys, you will need to use this simple command here. I have already typed it. You can see I will just copy this command. Okay, I will simply search it here. Now let me read what I have mentioned here, guys. I have just typed I will copy data from a website and share with you, and you will create a okay, so let me just remove this. And you will create a sheet with the following column: first name, last name, email, phone number, fixed farm name, address, and practice area. Okay, so this is the simple command which I have provided to the ChatGPT, guys. Okay, so now you can see I have just provided the simple command to the ChatGPT, guys. Okay, so now I will just simply click here. Okay, after that, now you can see it's saying that sure, go ahead and share with the data with me. Once you provide, I will organize into a structure sheet with a specific column. Okay, so basically the ChatGPT is now saying that yes, I will help you. Now you can share the data with me which you want me to extract from the website. Okay, so guys, I will simply open this website and I will go down. Okay, and now here you can see, guys, item page 10. So here you can see we are only seeing 10 per item on this first page. So if I just simply click here, and here if I just select 15, guys, so now I will be able to see 15 item on the first page here. Now you can see, guys, there are 15 pages. Okay, so you will be also need to use this tracker to get more result on the first page, and then you will be able to work on this project quickly. Okay, so now, guys, the first thing is we will be able to extract all the data. I will just copy all the data from here. Okay, so just copy all the data like this. Okay, now you can see I have copied all the data. I mean, I have select all the data. Okay, you can see, guys, I have selected all the data. Now I will simply click here and I will just copy that. Okay, so if you want to work on this project manually, you can also do it. If you have time, if you want to practice on it, that's perfect. But as you know, guys, if you want to use ChatGPT to do this work for you fast, then you can also use it. And I also try many tool, but it didn't help me because sometimes some project will be so much complicated for you. When you are using a tool will be not working, then you will be need to use different technique. Okay, so that's why, guys, I try to share with different project, different scenarios, so that you learn exactly the complete work process. Okay, so now, guys, I have already copied the whole data. Now simply I will just paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted here. Now I will just click here on this button. Okay, so now the ChatGPT will help me to structure all the data. Okay, so just wait a few seconds and see, guys. Now you can see the ChatGPT is working and it's already script all the data like the first name, then last name, email address, phone number, and fix. Sometimes some have their fixed number which are available, and some maybe don't have, so they will skip it. Okay, and then the farm name. Okay, then address, then practice area. Okay, you can see, so everything are already mentioned here. Okay, so I will just go down. You can see, guys, so there are more than 15 data which this tool has been extracted for us. Okay, so, guys, I will simply just select all the data. Now let me select all the data here. You can see, so I have select all the data. Now I will simply click here. Okay, now you can see it's mentioned copy, so just copy the data. and open any Excel sheet. Okay, so if you want to use Microsoft, yeah, Google Sheet, you can also use it, but I have already Microsoft Office, so I will use this one. Okay, so I will simply click here, guys. Now if I just click here and paste, you can see we got this result. So I will click here. Okay, now you can see, guys, we got this result. Okay, this is their first name, last name. So now you don't need to do any kind of changing here, guys, until you complete data from the whole project, because if you do some kind of changing, there will be issue for you. Okay, so don't do any kind of changing now. Then go back. Okay, now we will go back, guys, here again, and now I will simply click on the next page. Here you can see it's mentioned next page. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, after that, if I just go down, guys, here, now you can see we are now from 16 to 30. Okay, so now we will extract, we will copy all this data and we will paste it there. Okay, so now let's copy the data. Okay, so just copy this data here until we will now copy. Okay, so we just select all the data, then I will copy. Okay, and then, guys, I will click here in the 17. Okay, so just click here. Now here I will make the destination formatting. Okay, oh sorry. Sorry, actually first when you copy the all data, then you will need to open ChatGPT, guys. Okay, again, you will need to open the ChatGPT. Okay, so then you will need to paste this data here, guys. Okay, just paste the data, because we already extract from 1 to 15 data. Okay, now it's time to start extract data from 16 to 30. Okay, items. So now I will simply click here. Okay, so after clicking here, now the ChatGPT will help us to extract all the data from this list. Okay, so now let's wait, guys, and see how much data this can be extracted for us. Now you can see the ChatGPT has been start working for us, and then we will be able to extract the data from here. Okay, so just wait until the complete process is being done. Okay, the additional entry has been formatted and appended to the document. Let me know if you are more update, yeah, any specific change you liked. Okay, now, guys, the ChatGPT help us to add all the data in this one sheet. Okay, but we have already copied some data from here. Okay, so now we will start data to extract from Nema, Amina. Okay, so now we will start from below of that. Okay, because we have already copied some data from there. Okay, so now we will copy data from here. Okay, and we will go down. Okay, so just copy and then open the ChatGPT, and now let's paste it here. Okay, just paste it. Now you can see, guys, everything is similar. Below you can see their first name, then last name, then email, then fax number. Everything is in the right direction, guys. Okay, so now you will need to go down. Here you can see, guys, we already copied 30 leads. Okay, so in the first row you can see it's mentioned their first and last name, so that's why they are also counting with it, but the real leads are only 30. Okay, so we have extract 30 leads only with a few seconds, guys. Okay, so the process are very simple. So when you complete, when you extract 30 lead, then here you can see again it's mentioned next page. Now you can see here, guys, they are showing 16 and they are mentioned 30. Okay, so now if I just click here in the next page, now you will be able to see something different here. Okay, so if I just go down, now you can see they are mentioned 31 and here is 45. Okay, so everything is changed now, guys. So now we will go back again, and now we will copy this, select all this data. You can see, guys, just select all the data. Okay, and here you can see we will just simply copy, and then we will go to the ChatGPT again. Okay, and now we will paste the data here. Okay, so just paste this data. Okay, and then click here. Now wait a few seconds, so the tool will automatically work for you. Okay, Just wait a few seconds until the complete process has been done. Okay, then you will need to just copy and paste the data, guys. Okay, so if you want to do this work manually, it will take a lot of time because there are a lot of data, guys. Okay, but you can use this simple trick and this will help you to extract all the data. Okay, so guys, whenever if you are facing any kind of issue in here in the ChatGPT, then you can create a new chart. Okay, so then just create a new chart and then go to the I will provide you this this prompt. Okay, so you will just need to copy this prompt. Okay, and you will need to paste in ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT will help you to extract all the data for you. Okay, so now let's see, guys. Saying responding useful another module until your limit is after 1:30 p.m. Okay, so guys, basically the ChatGPT, guys, they have some limitation when you are using this tool. So now they're saying that you will need to wait until it's mean they just give me some hour, like now it's 10:43 a.m. Okay, so I will be I will just wait 3 to 4 hour until then I will be able to use this tool again. But let's try again. Let's use this tool. Let's just copy this. Okay, let's copy and let's see if we can use this again. Okay, so let me just create a new chart, and here I will simply provide the simple command. Let's see if it can work. Okay, so you're saying sure, please go ahead and share with me the data. Okay, so I will just go back and I will just copy this data. Okay, and now I will just paste it here. Now let's click enter. Now let's see what we can get here. Okay, guys, so this was the main thing which I was about to tell you. Okay, so when you are using the first chart, guys, if it stop working, if it's not working, then you will need to create a new chart, guys. Okay, and then you will need to use the simple formula which I will be giving in the description. So you can just copy this formula. Okay, and then you can paste it in the ChatGPT here. Okay, now you can see this tool has been extracted all the data for us. Okay, so now we will simply go, okay, and we will just go, okay, and we will copy all the data. Okay, let's copy. Okay, and then just go down here. Okay, let's see, I will just simply click here. Now, guys, I will just simply click below, and here you can see it's mentioned match the data and destination. Okay, so I will simply click here. Now you can see all the data has been added here, guys. Okay, and this is the first name, everything. So this is the process, guys, to collecting the data. Now you can see we have 46 row here. We have collect all the data from this website, okay, with the help of ChatGPT. So when you done that, guys, now then you will need to click here and go to the next page. So if I just click here, now let me show you something more here. Now you can see we are in the 46, and then we will be 60 lead. Okay, so there are more 15 lead. So we will be using, guys, the simple formula. We will just go, okay, and we will just copy all the data. Okay, we will just go and we will just copy all the data, and then we will open the ChatGPT. Okay, so we will paste this data here, guys. If it's working, let me just try and let's see is it working or not. Let me just paste it. Okay, now you can see, guys, this tool has been working and it's extracting the data for us. But in case if it's not working, then you will need to click here. You can see add new chart. Okay, so just click here in the new chart, and then you will need to copy this simple command which I will be sharing with you, and then you will need to share in this chart, guys. Okay, and then you will need to go back, and then you will need to copy the data from the website, and then you will need to paste it here. So in this case, guys, you can extract the all data from this website with the help of this ChatGPT. Okay, so if you want to do this work manual, it will take a lot of time. And also, as I mentioned before, I tried to use this tool instant data scripper, but it didn't help me. I was not satisfied, and I also tried to use some other tool, but it didn't help me. So only with the help of this method, guys, I extract all the data and I can complete the project. Okay, so when, guys, you extract all the data, for example, there you guys already know there are 327 result. Okay, so when you extract all the data from this website, then you will need to go back, okay, then you will need to tap here B, okay, then you will need to tap here B, okay, and then you will need to click here on search again, okay. Now you can see there are 86 result, okay. So then you will need to go back again, and you will need to extract all the data, copy, and then you will need to paste it here. So this ChatGPT will help you to extract all the data, okay. So after guys completing the whole project, there will be thousand of leads, all of them. So when you complete the whole process guys, then you will need to simply click here, you will need to click here on the data, you can see. Then guys, you can see it's mentioned duplicate, remove duplicate, so just click on it. So first you will need to select the first name guys, okay, then you will need to click here remove duplicate, okay, then you will need to remove duplicate, just click on it, okay, then you will need to click here, okay. There is no duplicate value, so this means there is no duplicate. So when you extract all the data, then you will find some duplicate entry. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of issue, your question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you. So I will provide you this this complete description, okay, and video description, so just download it and start practice on it, okay. So thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video, bye.